There's a quiet shift happening beneath the surface of the tech world, one that doesn't look like a new phone, or an app update, or even a breakthrough in AI. It's something much deeper, something that, once it hits full scale, will make nearly every computer on Earth feel like a museum artifact. Quantum computing isn't the future. It's already here. And it's not just going to change some things. It's going to change everything. For over 70 years, we've built our digital world on one idea: binary. Ones and zeros. Every photo, every video, every message you've ever sent has been reduced down to that simple language. But quantum computers speak in a completely different dialect, one built on the bizarre, beautiful logic of quantum mechanics. A bit in a classical computer is either on or off. But a qubit? It can be both at once. It can hold possibilities, not just choices. And the moment you realize that, you start to understand why the old rules no longer apply. This is power that scales exponentially, not linearly. The problems that would take the world's best supercomputers thousands of years to solve, quantum machines could handle them in seconds. And with that power comes a ripple effect, one that touches everything, including something we take for granted every day: privacy. Most of our digital security is based on math. Encryption systems that assume no one has the computing power to break them. But quantum doesn't play by those rules. It's fast enough to blow through modern firewalls like they were tissue paper. RSA, AES, these are the gold standards of encryption until a quantum machine gets involved. Once quantum becomes widely available, the entire landscape of cybersecurity will have to be rebuilt from scratch. But it's not just about breaking things. Quantum is also revealing possibilities we've never seen before, like teleporting information without sending a signal. Yes, you heard that right. In a lab setting, researchers recently used quantum entanglement to transmit the state of one quantum bit to another instantly. No wires, no Wi-Fi, no radiation. Information moved without physically moving anything at all. For the first time in human history, data didn't have to travel to arrive. This opens the door to a world where our devices connect without needing harmful EMFs, where latency disappears, where the internet as we know it dissolves into something cleaner, faster, and almost magical. Because when distance no longer matters, everything changes. Our devices become extensions of each other, connected not by networks, but by quantum presence. That Italian satellite, that undersea cable, even the tower outside your house could all become obsolete. It's not fantasy. It's physics. And quantum's reach doesn't stop at technology. It stretches into medicine, biology, and even human consciousness. With quantum simulation, we'll soon be able to model the inner workings of molecules with incredible precision. That means new drugs could be discovered in days, not decades. Treatments could be tested in virtual quantum labs before a single human ever takes them. Imagine personalized medicine created just for your body, your genes, your chemistry, powered not by guesswork but by certainty. And if you think AI is powerful now, just wait until it's paired with a quantum mind. Training massive AI models takes time, sometimes weeks or months. Quantum could reduce that to hours, even minutes. Suddenly, we're not just feeding AI data, we're giving it quantum intuition. The ability to see patterns too complex for any human brain. Climate models, economic systems, the human brain itself, all open for exploration in ways we've never had access to before. This is where things get philosophical. Because when your data can be anywhere, instantly, when your devices no longer rely on radiation or frequency to connect, when your health, your intelligence, your security are all wrapped up in a new form of consciousness, you start to ask, what's next? And the truth is, no one really knows. But here's what's clear. We're leaving behind the binary world. Not completely, not immediately, but inevitably. The next revolution isn't in storage or speed or sleek design. It's in how reality itself is processed. Quantum is the unraveling of the old system, and the birth of something far more powerful, more fluid, and honestly, more strange. We're not talking about an upgrade. We're talking about a rewrite of the operating system that runs modern civilization. The firewalls you trust, the devices you love, the methods we use to connect, heal, learn and grow, all of them will change. Some of them will disappear. So if you're still thinking of quantum computing as some far-off dream, think again. It's already begun. And the ones who understand it now will shape the future that everyone else has to live in. Because once this wave hits, there's no going back. If this opened your mind to what's coming, subscribe.